With 1.1 million bitcoins in your pocket, what's your next moves? Today, with Bitcoin surging past $90,000, Satoshi Nakamoto, the ghost of the internet, is obviously one of the wealthiest people on the planet. But here's the mystery. After creating this digital gold, he simply vanished. He left behind tens of billions of dollars and never touched a single cent. Why? Because Satoshi understood something profound. For Bitcoin to truly succeed, it couldn't have a leader, no ego, no CEO to arrest, and no central point of failure. While titans like Ford or Rockefeller built empires to be remembered, Satoshi built one and chose to be forgotten. He kept the power back to the people. Is he still watching from the shadows, or did he take his keys to the grave? Drop your theory in the comments. To support my independent research, check out the link in my profile. Follow for more legends.